Welcome back to Day and Night Forex YouTube channel, where we share business knowledge to help you achieve your dreams and goals. And in today's video, we'll talk a little on massage industry. We all suffer with joint pains. Even myself, I suffer from a lot of back pains due to me sitting in front of my screens, analyzing the markets and working every single day. Now, massaging is included in my budget, and I massage myself at least 5 months every single month, right? So sometimes even more. I spend around 2,500 monthly just on full body massage. Now, in 2019, an old Day and Night Forex student generated over 250,000 rands in profits and asked me for a business she could start or invest in. I told her that she should think of a problem and offer a solution to that problem. She said she can't think of any problem. She was very tired. Her back was hurting because they sit all day at the office. I told her to buy a Caddy Maxi crew bus, which she got for about 150,000 rands. Very good condition. She also bought 3 mobile massage beds that cost about 2,500 each, totaling 7,500. I don't know how much she paid for the Hotstones, oils and other essentials that you need in order to do massage, right? She had no experience in massaging and needed to hire 3 girls. Now, I know a few massage owners who are from Thailand, so they hooked me up with a list of females seeking work at that time who had experience in the field of work and were very good in what they do. She found the 3 best candidates. 2 of those girls were actually in Cape Town and 1 in Bangkok. She had to pay for her flights to bring her down here due to the circumstances and financial issues she was having. She paid for her and made the other 2 a better offer so they could leave their previous job and actually come work for her. This is the thing about running a business. You have to know your competitors so that you can do better than them. I'm not saying focus too much on the competitions that you neglect your business. No, just analyze them, see what they're doing and try to do it better than them. Now, this spa the 2 ladies were working at charged 250 for full body massage. The owner would take 200 and they would only get 50 rand per person, right? So the competition that side was really high. I mean, it's Cape Town. The marketing of this company was very weak and the owner didn't really have any new ideas to grow the business whatsoever. So there were times where they only made like 50 rand a day commission due to the low demand. So they considered the new job opportunity, looking at this current circumstances that they were in, though it was a big risk because the owner had just started and had no clients at that time. She started approaching the guys she was working with and gave them the business cards. They made use of the services, but the first 3 months were very slow. At her house, she has a back room where the girls stayed, and she had to use her savings to buy them food and groceries as the business wasn't performing good at that time. She called me saying this business is very slow and the current clients only cover fuel and the products needed in the business. Why didn't I rather trade for her? She asked. This was a waste of money. I told her nothing is easy in the beginning. The business would take off and she just had to up her marketing a little bit, like print posters, hand out business cards at the guest house and hotels, make deals with them, drive door to door in the rich neighborhoods and offer her services. There will be a lot of rejections, of course, but there will be a few saying yes. I also told her to open a Facebook page, make use of the paid advertisements so that she can reach new audience around the area. It will cost money to make money. As we know, it takes money to make money. And when it comes to running a business, you will actually go broke sometimes. And so she decided to trust me and follow all the advice that I gave her. The word was out. The phone started to ring. She started getting new clients on a daily basis. I told her to just focus on delivering good services. That way, clients would keep on coming and she would no longer have to go look for them. Everyone was happy with the reliable services, and now the message was spreading by word of mouth. She got some regular clients like businessmen that massage every single week, which are now paying a fixed fee of 2,000 every single month. So there are now about 78 regular clients this year. So if we can actually just do the quick math right here, that's 78 times 2,000, which equal to about 156,000 monthly. This is excluding the other clients that they are getting on a daily basis. Today she's very happy and told me she's glad that I helped her start this business. She's making a lot of profits daily, guaranteed. Her business is performing very good today and she doesn't even trade anymore due to the high demand of the bookings. If she had given up the first hard 3 months, she wouldn't have been making over R1 million in revenue annually as she is today. So take that as a reminder that in life there will be obstacles, there will be setbacks, and there will be times you feel like giving up because nothing is working out for you. Just know that that's not the case, right? You just have to keep on pushing and try new things. As they say, never change the goal, only the strategy. Ask for advice from the people in the same field you are moving in. Find some sort of a mentor. Nothing is easy in the beginning, but in the end it will be all worth it. So what exactly do you actually need to start this massage business? First things first, you will need a business plan and how you plan on reaching your goals. Since you are new, you will have to create a budget and evaluate your cash flow. You also need to complete your massage therapy license and get certified. Now, that is not a big deal if you know people like us who can hook you up with the right people. We also know a lot of unemployed massage therapists who you can hire or partner with. You will also need to decide where you will locate your practice. Most massage therapists choose one of the following options: professional office space, client's home or office, your own home, or you go for hospitality industry or hotels like resorts, etc. Most people I know are doing it from home, so they're saving a lot on rent and other expenses that come with renting or traveling to clients' place, right? So you also need to get an insurance for your business. That way you won't have to worry of a claim disrupting your business. Make sure you build a brand and deliver outstanding services so that clients can keep coming back. Your brand represents you as much as your work does. Now let's talk about the marketing side of things. This can make or break your business, so you should structure your plan very well so that you can attract new clients. Build a website, because this is one of the most crucial things you need to do. People want to see a gallery of your clients and also your workers so that they gain confidence in making a booking. You can either hire someone who can build your website, or we can hook you up with the guy who did our website, dayandnightforex.co.za, looking amazing. Or you can check out these platforms and do it yourself, #DIY. So the first one being Wix and the second one being WordPress. Get your business out there on social media. It is a great tool to attract new clients and create brand awareness. Don't be shy to ask your clients to engage with your social media, especially when you're just starting out. Ask them to leave reviews, share posts, and tag referrals. For more information about this topic to help you get started, just like this video and leave a comment down below with the word pain, and we'll gladly bring you more deeper insights and advice on this topic. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and we'll see you on the next one. #Let's eat.